Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix laptop overheating and constant noise fan. If you're using a laptop using Windows 10 or 11 and you're facing the issue that your laptop is overheating and you might having constant noise of your fan, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it happens when your PC is using your CPU at maximum. So you just have to simply go to Task Manager, go to Search, and here you have to simply search for Task Manager. Now once you are in Task Manager, you just have to check which one of your apps is using more CPU. Here you might see your total CPU consumptions, and from here you have to look for that specific app using more CPU. So you might get the app if your CPU is over 90 or up to 100. So you might see here apps of a list of some apps. So you can also scroll down to check for background apps. Now, once you found that app, just right click on that and then click on End Task. It will completely close that app. Now, once you have done, you just have to simply click on this symbols or to access your quick center, and there just select energy saver to enable your battery saver or your energy saver. Now, once you have done, you have to go to search again and just search for device manager. And now in device manager, you have to make sure that all of your drivers has been up to date. You might not have any driver which have any pending update. If you might, just try to update that driver. So let's say I'm gonna update my battery driver here. Just right click on this, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will search automatically using network if there will be any update for your driver, so it will be installed on your PC or on your laptop. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. You can also go to your settings, and here just scroll down, go to Windows Update. Here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update. If you might find any pending update, just try to update your Windows. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if you are still facing the same issue and you might find any corrupted app or any corrupted file or folder in your PC, so you just have to go to this Windows Security app. And once you are in Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Quick Scan. Or you can also go to Scan Options here. Just click on Full Scan. Then click on Scan Now. Now, once you scan your PC, if there will be any corrupted file in your system, so it will be deleted from your PC, and after that, you may not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.